Hi everyone, it's Damien. I hope you had a great week. Mine was okay, let's say, as usual. Yeah, today I'm gonna work on an exercise from the Exercism website, which is basically a website where you basically can learn a language doing actually some exercise. So I actually done some exercise from this website, but it was sort of a long time ago. Probably the last time I worked on them was probably in summer. So I sort of forgot about how to not really how to write code, but like how to write it fluently. Like I now, if you ask me to write some code, I can do it, but like I don't know the method from the top of my head, right? So it's not fluent enough. So I'm gonna start over with that. And yeah, so as I said, I did some exercise already. This one has been done, but it's just a 8 word. I'm gonna start with this one. And I actually started yesterday. Like I was doing this one yesterday at work. I don't know if you can see it well. It was a picture, just a picture of what I did. So as you can see, the code is not really like beautiful. So yeah, so that's mean I don't really remember how to write, how to call the method, and I know for this particular exercise you can probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so that's a lot of code. So I'm gonna just going go oh sorry. I'm just gonna go through this exercise. I was actually updating the the version of Exorcism because it made another version. And yeah, so let's start over. So I'm just gonna reset everything. I'm probably gonna do it on the terminal, on the editor. I wanted to use Vim, but it's actually I don't really good at it. So let's go. Yeah, open. No, I actually have to download the thing first. So as you can see, like it's a one line method. Like there is like the endless thing to raise an error, but that's it. So you can basically do the exercise in one line. And the exercise itself is basically to calculate the Hamming difference between two DNA strands. So yeah, they put this context on it, but like it's basically two strings, and you count how many characters that are different within those strings, and that give you the Hamming distance between the two DNA strands. So basically that's it. So I have to go to copy the thing here. I hope it's gonna work because I didn't use it. I mean, I did it at work, but oh, okay. So to get started, you need to. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. Copy the token. Exercises. Configure token. Here we go. Yep. think, yeah, can that, oh my god, I just did it. To get started, you need to configure, okay, so, isn't it what I did? Token, Exercism, configure, there is already something there. If it's a directory, that will be fine. It's a file, okay. You can choose the workplace location by running this command. That might be fine. If it's a file, we need to remove it. What do you mean? Like, should I actually remove everything? Anyway, everything is on the website, so I guess I can do it. But yeah, I mean, what are you saying, man? So can I do it? Oh my god. I should not have done that. If I go there, come on. So what is that? CD Ruby. Okay, so if I want to download the thing, why can't I? My goodness. You have configured command line client, blah blah blah. Well, so can I actually download the thing? Okay, great. Thank you. So I'm gonna go to the Harming thing. And I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna, yeah, remove everything. So if I do open another project, can I actually? Alright. So sorry about that, guys. But yeah, that's some stuff I just don't really plan to put in the video, but you know. Okay. So now I have that. I actually don't need that. Come on, open. So I'm gonna remove everything here. Come on. gonna not skip. Okay, this one is skip, this one is skip, and this one is actually, yeah. Alright, so I should be able to run it. So if I do a Ruby humming test, you should complain saying that there is no class. Right, so I'm gonna create a class called humming. It's not test. And if I run it again, there is no method called compute. I'm gonna create a method called compute. I run it again. Undefined method called compute. I guess this is a class method. And it needs two arguments. Mine has 0, so I guess we call it strand 1, strand 2. Expected 0, actual nil. So let's return 0, just to make the test pass. Alright, the test is passing. Let's go to another one. I think it should be fine too, because it's actually expecting 0. Let's go to that one. Okay, single letter different strand. Expected 1. Actual 0. So single letter different. So I guess well, let's do if let's do unless strand equal strand 2 and return 1. Okay, so if strand, it's like not equal to that. Actually, it's not actually going through here. What the test is doing? Single letter. Right, I think I should do that, right? I mean, if should I? Well, they are different actually. Well, I should equal to. I don't know why it didn't work. Oh, I think I could have. It's probably because of the return thing. Return 1 maybe. Yeah, that's actually, I was correct actually, I just didn't return it. Alright, and let's go on this one. So long identical tests, identical strands. Let's see. Okay, let's do that. Long difference trends. Oh my god. So I should return 9. Well, let's see. I can say, I think in the exercise the two strands should have the same length. I think. Let's see. Because of the mutation. Okay, the simplest and most common is the mutation point. By consider number. Okay. This following contain how many indicators are different from the equivalent in a string. The Hamming distance, okay. The Hamming distance is only defined for a sequence of equal length. So that's the thing. So if I write it that way, like if I do let's not even care about the length now. Let's care about actually returning the 9 thing. So let's say distance 0, and let's say it's not even, well, I could do that, like if let's put a counter not distance but strand size and counter. So I think I'm not really writing Ruby. I'm just trying to like solve the problem first, and after that I will try to sort of write some Ruby-ish code. Okay, so if I have that, so if strand 1 counter, actually don't really need that, is different than strand 2 counter, then counter, no, it's actually distance equal distance plus plus 1. Let's do return distance. So I think oh my god, what did I do? Didn't I skip? So what's going on here? line 8 counter what's going on? Undefined for nil class. What is nil? Since that I'm not really sure. Okay, so which one doesn't work? Expected 9, return 1. Alright. It's actually, well, and these are different. Okay, return 1. Well, there will absolutely, I mean, on this test, they are different, so you will always go there. So it's not even. Let's see. Okay, it's actually working. I don't need that code anymore, I guess. And yeah, just keep this one. Zero first strand longer. Okay. So that means this one is longer and this one is longer. Okay. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Okay, so basically if yeah, unless maybe unless that is different than that than the other one, strand 2 size I think it's raise. What is it expected? Argument error. These strands. Well, length. I think I'm gonna do that way. Let's see what's happened that way. Ooh. German string. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. What's argument error? Expected, but nothing was raised. Alright. On line 4. I actually don't know how to, like, Okay, let's forget that. Let's see. Argument error on line 4. Well, let's look at how to raise exception and stuff. I mean, how to raise error. Raise Ruby. Ruby learning. Well, let's go for that. Oh, actually, okay. Hmm. Still the same. I think. If blah blah. Alright. Maybe it's not actually if it's actually equal. I think, first of all. Yeah. I'm getting confused because if not is like it was that, and unless is like if not. So if not, basically if strength size is different, let's see, so let's try to understand that. If strands 1 size is different than strands 2 size, so you already have a negative here, and then you do the unless, so it's like if not, those are, it's basically a counter negative thing, because this one is already a negative thing, and you with the unless you have, unless is basically a if not. So if not strand size is different than strands 2 size, you know it's not gonna work. So it's actually if not, basically if they are not the same size, raise that, just raise the error. So yeah, oh, what did I do now? So okay, let's run this one, should be fine, I think. Okay, the exercise is solved. Well, it's not really like Ruby-ish. I think there is a better way to do it. So I said on the video that basically you can do that in a one-liner line, using a one-liner, but I actually don't know. So let's actually stop the video now because I'm quite hungry. I want to make a break. I'm gonna hit banana. So see you soon, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it here.